Hello guys, Dustin with Valley Geeks Computer Services here with a computer tip. And today I will be showing you guys how to fix the most common printer error that people have with their printers and their computers. So I'm going to show you, it's a very basic step. Uh, It's got about a 65-70% chance to fix the issue if you are having issues with your printer. Say your printer is offline or your printer is having communication errors. I'll show you how to quickly and easily fix that printer. All you have to do is just follow along with the video here, and you'll have your printer up and running in absolutely no time. So, in Windows 10, and I'm hoping most of you guys are upgraded to Windows 10, the first thing I want you guys to do is click on the Start menu. And then once you're on that, go ahead and click on the little, it looks like a little flower or like a little gear. It says Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. Alright, so from here, we're going to make this window bigger. We're going to go to Devices. It's on the top part of the screen, second row. I'm sorry, second column. Top row. So we're going to go ahead and go into there. And then we're going to go to Printers and Scanners. It's on the first column, second row here. So go to Printers and Scanners. Okay, and you can see here that we can see some devices that are on my computer right now at this time. But I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of the window and I'm going to click on Devices and Printers. This is going to open up an Explorer window, which will give me a better and more clear look at my devices. This is more what I'm used to. I'm more of an old school layout type of guy, so this is a little bit more easier for me. So you find the printer that you're having a problem with. Normally it's going to be shaded gray. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and highlight it, click on it once, just with one left click, then go to the top and then select Remove Device. And it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to remove this device? And it's going to say the name of the printer. You're going to hit Yes. And you're going to hear that sound. It's a really distinctive sound that Windows makes when a device gets disconnected from your computer. It's like a ba-dum-bum. So, yeah, if you hear that, don't panic. Everything's okay. So, now, what we want to do is click on Add a Printer. It's at the top here. And Windows is going to go ahead and search for any printers that may be on your network or that may be connected to your computer via a USB printer cable. So I'm just going to give Windows some time here to detect the printer. If it doesn't, and I'll show you how to go ahead and add it if it's connected to the network. If you're not seeing the device and it's connected with a USB cable, make sure the printer is turned on, of course, and then also make sure that it is connected to the network, meaning it's plugged in the back, or to make sure that the Wi-Fi light is properly lit up on the printer. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to check my printer now. This is not something that I can obviously show you, so I'm going to go to my menu, and I'm going to see if my printer is hooked into my network. And it is not. It is actually hooked up with a USB cable. So, since my computer is not able to find the printer, what I'm going to do is just hit cancel or hit the X, it doesn't matter, and I'm going to unplug the printer, the USB cable, from my computer. Mine just happens to be a white cable with a black end on it, so I'm going to go ahead and unplug it. And then I'm going to go ahead and plug it back in. Windows will then see the printer and it will reinstall it. At this point in time, you should be able to right click on it, go to printer properties. Let's move this window up a little bit, and then click on print test page. And then you can just hit close here, and then hit OK. And you should now see the printer printing off a test page from your computer. You can hear it probably in the background. Mine has started to print. Also, what I'd like to do is right click on the printer and then set as default printer. We're going to hit OK. And to make sure there's a green check mark there, and that's just going to notify you, it's going to tell you that that printer is set as default. Alright guys, well that was it. You can go ahead and close out of all these windows here and get back to your desktop. If the printer and the computer are still not communicating properly, it could be something with your network, or it could just be something with your Windows settings or the settings with the printer that I would have to come out and take a more closer look at. It also could be that your drivers may need to be updated. The way you do that is by going to, say, if I have a Brother printer, I would go to Brother's website and download the latest drivers. I wouldn't recommend my customers to do that because a lot of scammers put fake websites out there for HP and Brother, and a lot of my customers click on those and end up calling them and then getting scammed. So if you do still experience issues after applying this fix, please give Valley Geeks a call and we will get out there ASAP to fix this issue. We could try it remotely first, but we do prefer coming to you on site so we can take a closer look at the computer to make sure the computer is in good condition, good running condition. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. This was a computer quick tip sort of type video. I'm going to try doing a lot more of these for you guys, upload it on Facebook so you guys can get a little bit more interaction from me, and so I can get more interaction from you guys. Start sharing, the Valley Geeks webpage and the Facebook page. I really appreciate it. Social media is the best way to spread the word on great services that you've used in the past. Again, I appreciate all my past customers who have used me before. Again, thank you, and everybody, God bless and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.